In today's video, we are unboxing some mystery boxes. So all we really have to do is go shopping. We're gonna buy a Sony Angel. Should we look across the street? No, I don't need to look across the street. Okay, so now we have to place this down. And now let's unbox it. Let's see which Sony Angel we get. We got... Who is you? Dino. Wait, this actually does like a lot of money. Wait. Yeah, that does a lot of money. Now let's go and buy some more. If my voice is cracking, it's because it's 3:07 a.m. right now. Why am I up so early? You may be wondering. Cause I'm literally physically unemployed. So of course all I wanna do is be staying up all day. Please. Oh, it's hiring my chance for a mythical. Amazing. Whoa, why are you so big? We got Herona. Why are you so tall? Wait, what's the Sony Angel in this thing? Bigger than me, bro. Yes, if I upgrade it, it starts getting smaller. I want him to get shorter. Oh, never mind. Let's get 4-2. 4-3. We need one rebirth. But I don't want to. Okay, let's go get let's get to like 7K because I think the other one's 7K, and then we can do it. Oh, let's go run over by a car. That's just amazing. That's so amazing. Almost getting ran over by a car. Car. Whoa, they got Foxy in their base. Lucky. Okay, we got Calico Critter. Let's see what Calico Critter I get. Okay, my chance is going up for Divine. Oh, like a common baby critter. That does a bit of money, I guess. I guess. Okay, I don't think that does like... The rest does so much way more money. Oh my gosh. My iPad just fell. Stop scraping against the chair, bro. Oh my gosh. Only if I had a computer, bro. I mean, I have an Xbox I could record on, but it's not really gonna be good quality. But who cares? Not me. I'm just gonna upgrade this little Timmy. Yeah, come back for part 2 because I have no idea what else to do. So yeah, I want to get like a good ending for the video though. Like an amazing ending for the video. Oh my gosh, only if I go ran over to the car, we get a good ending for the video. Yeah, to end the video, I think we have to wait till another car passes by. But first I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna slowly start walking. What's the run look like? Yeah, we're slowly start walking. Car, please come. Oh my god. Okay, car should come from this way soon then. Yeah. Looks like I'm just walking still, I guess. Dude. It's like no cars out, bro. Now I have to rewalk this way. I have to rewalk the entire path this way and start walking. So peaceful. Subscribe. Yeah, that's all for the video, but subscribe. Never know I was gonna get hit by a car. Subscribe. Bye.